Hello everyone, thank you for being here. I'm Erwan, and I'm a product specialist and trainer for SMODE. So SMODE is a real-time 2D and 3D compositing engine for motion design and interactivity. And it comes also with a 3D stage design environment. So if you wondered what can be achieved by combining motion design and interactivity, well, this is a simple example. So as you can see, it's not a pre-computed video export, but a real-time rendering with an event triggered by a physical button. And if we go inside the process of creation of these compositions, you will recognize tools you are already familiar with. Because, for example, the first step has been to draw these single dinosaurs with shape layers and Bezier curves. It's also animated through a simple timeline. It's then pre-composed and instantiated in a 3D space over a 3D circle spline. So I just created a loop over the y-axis of this circle and create also some variant of the dinosaur to change the color, to change the size, and add some set element like the grass, the mountain, and the sky. After that, I've drawn the foot of the big one, also with Bezier curves. So it's real-time rendering. It means that I have immediate feedback over my changes. So it's quite comfortable. It's then also pre-composed and placed in the same 3D space. And the final animations is handled by another timelines. So I added some post-effects and particles to create the smoke. The interactivity is very simple because I just connect the play button of this timeline to a pad of my MIDI controllers. So with this workflow, you can imagine a lot of different interactivity. So here are some examples we have made for the Motion Tober in 2023. So you see, you can imagine controlling the fire, controlling the weather, controlling a crying baby, and so on. So those are funny examples, but as I have mentioned, SMODE comes with a 3D stage design environment. It means that it's a very, very, very used software for musical, for concert, for any kind of live events. And in this case, the workflow is this one. You have a media. So in this case, it's a simple layer. You customize it, but more important, you choose in which screens you want to display it on. So this is just a 3D simulation of my stage, but because it is real time, and because it can be plugged to physical screens, it means that if you are on stage with a SMODE, you can be a bit in his shoes and being on-site, on-stage motion designers. And in this case, you continue to work on your visuals, you continue to edit, but with the direct feedback of the artist, of the artistic directions, and also you can work with the light team, with the sound team, and so on. So here are some references of shows that I've been turning with SMODE during 2024. A last aspect I would like to mention also is that SMODE is not only for live event and not only for interactivity or real time, because it can also handle very large resolutions canvas. And it's a perfect tool for places like this, immersive places. Immersive places that require, in this case, more like 18,000 pixel wide video content. I will conclude by mentioning that there is a free version of the software called SMODE Community, and also a lot of tutorials in English and in French on our YouTube channels. Do not hesitate to visit us at our stand during the day, and have a nice Motion Plus design. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, merci Erwan.